In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a password visible in Google Chrome. If you've ever needed to recall a login that Chrome saved for you, maybe for an app on another device, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to reveal it safely. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the window for the three-dot menu. It sits next to your profile icon and the extensions area. Click it to open the main menu, which is where Chrome keeps all of its tools and preferences. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with Chrome's configuration page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation panel. Click Autofill and Passwords to focus on anything related to saved logins and forms. Then select Google Password Manager on the right. This is the hub where Chrome stores usernames and passwords you've chosen to save. Inside Password Manager, you'll find a section labeled Saved Passwords. Scroll through the list or use the search box to quickly locate the site you're interested in. Be sure you select the correct account if the same site appears more than once. Next to the obscured password, you'll notice a small eye icon. Click that eye to request a peek at the password. Before Chrome reveals anything, make sure your screen isn't being shared or viewed by anyone else, since the text will become readable on screen. For security, Chrome now asks you to confirm it's really you. Enter your computer's sign-in password or PIN when prompted. On some devices, you might see an option to use a fingerprint or face unlock instead. This step is required to prevent other people who use your computer from seeing your passwords. Once you've verified your identity, the password becomes visible in plain text right where the dots used to be. Take a moment to read it carefully so you can enter it elsewhere if needed. If you record it, store it in a secure place and avoid pasting it into chats, emails, or documents that aren't encrypted. That's all there is to it. You opened the menu, went into Settings, navigated to Password Manager, found the site, clicked the eye, confirmed your identity, and viewed the password. As a best practice, lock your computer when stepping away, keep your browser updated, and consider enabling two-factor authentication on important accounts for extra protection.